Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. Students, you know that we are on chapter number 4. Its topic is pothole. We have completed its reading and its vocabulary and we are doing its exercise now. You know that we are on page number 36 and its A part is comprehension. In its previous lecture, we have completed its comprehension questions part A to part F. Today we are going to do its remaining part, that is part G, H and second part. So let's start question number G. Now look at the statement. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. G part. What made Faiza take action to fill the pothole? Give as many reasons as you can. Students, you come to know from the reading that Faiza was just watching that what happening on the road due to that pothole. A lot of accident occurred and she made a list of that. And she write a letter to find out some help also. But after 3 weeks went by, no answer was given to her letter. So she made that step to do this type of action. So students, you will write the answer to this question. She was worried about the safety of the children in the kindergarten next door. She had seen a lot of accidents. She had written a letter to ask for help and had not received any reply or help. Now look at H part. Make a list of the types of accidents that took place because of the pothole. Students, you have find the list here on page number 34 and some description is also given in the third one paragraph of this page. So you can give the answer of this question quite easily. So students, here is the answer of this question. There are a range of accidents. Vehicles get stuck. There are crashes and swerves that led to crashes. Damage to vehicles, a cart loses its load, auto stuck, cyclist falls into gutter, man gets injured, baskets fall into road, lorry has puncture. So students, this is the list of all the types of accidents which occurred on the road due to pothole. Now look at second part. Here is a sentence from the story. Think about it and then answer the questions. The statement is, I'm not waiting a moment longer. This line is said by Faiza. So the first one question is, who said these words and when? The answer is Faiza, after she had been keeping a log for over 3 weeks. Now students, look at B part. Which words best describe the mood of the speaker at this time? The first one is angry, second one is sad, third one is fed up, fourth one is cheerful and fifth one is determined. Maybe you can give the first one option that she was angry and maybe the third one that she was fed up. But the fifth one appropriately described the mood of the speaker, that is determined. So you will write the answer of this question in this way. Fifth one, determined is probably the best description. Now look at C part. What did the speaker do after this? Students, you have read whole the story, so you can give the answer of this question, that what happened next when she said, I'm not waiting a moment longer. So students, you will give the answer of this question. After this, Faiza collects the material she needs so that she is ready to build her pothole garden the next morning. Now students, look at D part. Did the speaker's actions have any effect? Definitely, the action of speaker has a lot of effects on different people. So you will give the answer of this question in this way. Yes, it attracted the attention of lots of people, including the media and the town officials. The pothole is fixed properly as a result. Students, these all are the comprehension, and I think so it's quite clear to you. So, students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.